how to easily withdraw Alpha Network coin to Binance. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, generate your authentication key. So open the Alpha Network app and go to the profile tab. Now tap keys manager and then generate key. So copy the authentication key by tapping the plus icon. After that, log in to Alpha Exchange. Now go to Alpha Exchange from the app's home tab or visit their website. So like that, you can now click on sign in now and paste your key and sign in. After that, sell your Alpha coin. So on Alpha Exchange, go to the sell tab, enter how many Alpha coins you want to sell, then click sell. And after that, or after the order is complete, you will see your USDT on your balance. Now after that, withdraw the USDT to Binance. So on Alpha Exchange, click on withdraw and enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Paste your Binance USDT wallet address and make sure it is on the BIP20 network. Don't forget that. Now double check everything, then click withdraw. After that, confirm on Binance. So log in to your Binance account. Now go to wallets and then fiat and spot. Your USDT should appear after a few minutes. And that's it. You have successfully moved your Alpha Network coins to Binance. So pro tip, and don't forget that, always verify wallet address and the correct network. Also complete KYC on both platforms to avoid any issue. So this is how to easily withdraw Alpha Network coin to Binance. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.